investing in the urban. We have concrete. Now let's go to our barangay. Centro 1 to Centro 15. Punta San Antonio, Maura, Minangado dan Padaya, Makanaya, Talungan, Gadang, Toran, that's a Paris. For sure, that's not the least. Now let's go to a Paris West. Nabagan, Linaw, Bulala, Bisagu, and Sanha. Parudun Norte, Parudun Sur, Mabanggen, Puga Island, Bukit Kagamandukan, Pakak and Papaya, Plaza, Pakiling, Sinarag, Nanapatan, Bangag, and Binalan. We are happy of being here at our beloved Paris. We are proud of being a Pariano, even nag-Ilocano. In the hands of any invaders, we are ready to fight for rights. We are good to be victors. We are bad to bad persons. Aparias a great history. Apari East and Apari West. In this land we are living. Apari has a great beauty according to Apari geography. Jalan. Later mo. Mabit mo. Mabit. On March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan, they were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Castilla gidat waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Raha humabon met him, they were very happy. The people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of a Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize them, everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore, with Magellan to go back home. When Magellan got so mad, ordered his man to come of blood. Mactan Island we could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. When the battle began at dawn, bullets and spears versus guns and cannons, when Magellan was on his neck, stumbled down and cried and cried. Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. Once again, the pride of Upper West, Doming from Sinarag, and William Corpus from Upper West.
Beatbox ang
Beatbox.
Norte, walang tayo mo. Nagmali kayo.
Yan, to.
On beatbox.
Tanungan niya.
Stop.